Well, hey everyone, I'm hanging out with my new parakeet, my early Christmas present, and she is Lily! Say hi, Lily. You say hi? Huh? There's someone texting me on Facebook. Oh, you're yawning. She's tired. She had a hard day today. Just got it today. Hard day, yeah. So, she looks weird like this. I'll get you out of the way. You're famous, yeah, Lily. You're gonna be famous. She looks like she has a white face on camera, but really yellow. If I brought out Sky, you could tell the difference. I just wanted a different one to change. I really wanted the blue one again, because the last blue one I had was Sapphire and she died. And then we got Dusty, he died, and Colby got Sky, and he's still alive. So, she's so soft. She was falling asleep on my knee. I've been on Facebook this whole time. Colby's on Red Dead Redemption. I barely even tamed her. The pet store, this lady kept handling her. And I really want to thank her for that, if she's watching this. Because, she's a really good girl. Lil. Fluffing up. Yeah. So this is Lily. I came across a lot of names. But True Love Avery's little baby Lily. There's Spring Clutch from before. I always loved that name, so I just fit her so much. So here's Lil. Hey, Lily. Looking at the bird cage over there. Whoa. Want to say hi, Lily? Want to say hi? Still can't see, but her face is yellow. Hey, Colby, would you mind pausing that and putting Sky so the video or YouTubers can see the difference? Sure. Oops. You're gonna see the difference. I hope there's a difference on the camera. There's a way different. Colby, you got him yet? Ah! She can't fly. Her wings are clipped, so. There we go. There we got Sky. This is the difference. Oops, where are you going? You can't see a difference on the camera. Chloe, go ahead from the back. Here, Sky, grab him. He flies. What was that? I think the people have potty trained her. Like, seriously, she hasn't pooped all day. I'm serious. She pooped once when I first got her out of the box, but that's all. I don't know if that's normal. What are we doing, huh? Go down the keyboard. Shh, like I did at the beginning of the video. She was just sitting here, and I'm doing my business. Awesome girl. So, this is Budgie Love Aviary. Again, welcoming Lily. And like Tawny, who was being really mean to her. Oh, escape artist. But here she is, right here. Ow. There she is. Whoop. Right here. Lily! You're awesome. I swear, they spent a lot of time with Lily, and that was very, 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 very good for the trust system here. You're adorable. Like, if I went on my phone right now and showed you a picture, I'm not sure if it would look the same, but if I text any of you a picture, if I texted you a picture right now, if I knew you and I texted a picture of you right now, it would definitely look different from on this video. So again, look as happy as could be right now. I'm serious. You went from that little tiny cage in the pet store to this big kind of mansion. Do you like that? Hmm? Can you chirp for me? Can you please chirp? No? You're tired. Oh, you love this, don't you? She actually went onto the keypad before, and she just went up to my chat box right over here on Facebook, and she was like, "This is dead," but she started like she went right over to my text box and just looked at it, and she was in my between my legs before, and I was crisscross applesauce, or whatever you want to call it. She was squawking like crazy, so I took my camera that I had just taken a video of her. Oh, my camera's over here. This is my webcam. But I got the videos I had on there before and her video, and I showed them to her. Look at her. Calm down. It's like she's calm right now. Okay. So, colon P says Rachel. Colon P. Can you see the colon P? Can you see it? Oh, what are you doing? Fluff up. She's trying. She's like. Oh, there you go. Want to say bye, Lily? And you step on the computer. Okay. I said, do you want to say bye? Wait. Want to say bye? You're tired. You don't want to say goodbye, don't you? Say bye. Come on. Or not. My computer just did something. So, you ready? Say goodbye. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. What you love? Kobe.